Welcome back to Lori's Crochet Corner 2. Today we're doing a tutorial on a simply easy crochet beanie. It's a beginner. We're using Red Heart 100% acrylic yarn. I always recommend the acrylics because they don't shrink. They're wonderful. You're going to need a size H hook. Here's my size H. You're going to need some scissors, a tapestry needle, and a pom-pom. Now, it's not required, but it just gives it that extra special touch. So I chose to use a pom-pom. So, okay, we're going to get started. So the first thing you're going to do is chain 76, okay, which I've already done my chain. So when you do your chain of 76, you're going to go right to the end, keep it flat, right to the very end of your beginning. Go into that first stitch. Okay. Pull your yarn through, just do a slip stitch, and that brings it all together. So there's the beginning. Once you get your chain of 76, you're going to start by going into your first chain, and you're going to do a single crochet, and then what you're going to do is single crochet all the way around, and make sure you don't twist up your chain, because then you'll end up starting all over again, and you know, we don't like that. So I'm having a little difficult time here seeing with this camera in my way, so bear with me. So we're going to single crochet around in the 76 stitches, all right? And when you finish that, I will show you what to do next. I've finished my row of 76, single crochet all the way around. All right, now these are going to be repeat rows. So your first row is 76 stitches of single crochet. When you go to do your last stitch, then you're going to go into the top of the first stitch you did, and you're going to slip stitch. And then what you're going to do next is you're going to do, your next row will be half double crochet all the way around. So you're going to chain 1. And then you're going to do a half double crochet in the next stitch. Pull your yarn up. You got 3 loops on your hook. Grab your yarn, go through the first 2. Grab your yarn, go through, whoops, excuse me. That's not even right. I better get it right here for you guys. Okay, let's try that again. Yarn over, go through the next stitch, grab your yarn, go through all 3 loops, and that's your half double crochet. So you're going to go into the next stitch, grab your yarn, pull it up, yarn over, into the next stitch, pull your yarn up, go through all 3 loops, and repeat this all the way around. And this will be your second repeat row. So single crochet row, a half double crochet row, and when we finish this half double crochet row, then we'll go on to the last of the repeat rows. Alrighty, now I have my row of half double crochets done all the way around. That is our second repeat row. So when you finish that round, you're going to go into your first stitch once again, and you're going to do a slip stitch. Now this time you're going to chain 2. This is your last repeat row. You have a total of 3 repeat rows. So you chain 2 at this one, and then you're going to do double crochet. So wrap your, yarn around your hook, go into your first stitch there, pull it up, go through 2 loops, grab the yarn, go through 2 more, and that's your double crochet. Yarn over, go into the next stitch. Pull your yarn up, go through 2 loops, go through the next 2. So there's your double crochets, and you're going to want to double crochet all the way around your 76 stitches. and continue that and then slip stitch once again. So these are your 3 rows. They're repeat rows. You're going to do this constantly. I did a total of 20 on mine. So you do single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet. When you finish the double crochet, you're going to start another row of single crochet, half double crochet, and then double crochet. Very easy, guys. Okay, and here is mine finished. I did a total of 20 rows. So it's up to you as to how big you want to make it. I did 20, and I left a nice long tail, because what you're going to do with this tail to finish off your beanie is use your needle, thread it, okay, and now what you're going to do is you're going to go through 2 stitches, pull it up, and so you're actually making every 2 stitches 1 to go across the top. Go through every 2. And this is what's going to bring your hat together at the top. See how it pulls it together? So you just go into every 2. All the way around. Oop. Wow. And that pulls it together. See that? And I'll show you that as soon as I get that round finished. Here is the finished product, guys. I put the pom-pom on it already. Once you get it all gathered around, going into every other stitch with your needle and thread, just pull it together tight. Be careful not to break your yarn, because you want to be able to weave the yarn in to tie it off. So this hat is complete. I hope that you understood everything okay. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me at ljhackett6@aol.com. Bree, this is for you. So I hope that this was an easy tutorial for you guys. Like I said, any questions, just let me know. And I will see you the next time. I haven't decided what I'm going to do my next tutorial on, but I'm sure I'll think of something. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you the next time, guys. Love you all. Bye-bye.